Guys, I hope you are quite well. These are photorealistic t-shirt mockup. You can easily download from our website. I will leave the download link in the description. And here this is the folder, and there are templates in PSD format. So here you can see this is the first one, and here are others. This will be kind of somewhat same to the previous template. Yes, you can see this is template. You can add your own logo here on design, completely customizable. This is the first shot. You can add your own logo here. Double click this, drag and drop your photo here. Just I will not use the text, and here I just put my logo. For example, here is the logo. So I will somehow put here the rest of edges will be cropped. Here then Control S for safe place. See the result here. This is not the professional read, I just give it a quick review. I know you can do this better, so let me show you the other templates here. There, the second template. So t-shirt mockup. First t-shirt text, you can completely customizable here. Drag and drop your simply logo, change the saturation, change, you can change color. You can see this, and here are 5 such templates. Just open last one. You can see. I hope this data is quite useful for you. We have a website called GFX. We offers you plenty of graphic content for free. This is the download link. I will leave the download link in the description. And here are many other Photoshop, Mockup, Action, WordPress plugins, as well as many other YouTube WordPress plugins, After Effects, graphics, many other graphic data for free. Please do subscribe to our channel, like this video. Take care.